Today we're in the Rusland Valley and we've got a beautiful property to soft wash. You can see that there's algae starting to take hold, a bit of moss, and the paint's in very good order, so it doesn't need repainting, it just needs soft washing. You can see down the bottom here it's very green, and then there's small patches of moss just starting to appear, and then these slates will treat to clear the lichens. But the paint's in generally good order. There's a little bit of paint missing here and moss is starting to attack it, so but we will transform this property. We'll soft wash it and steam clean it. So it's a bit of a wet one today. Let's see how we get on with this one. So we finished this one now, and I'll show you what we're looking like. Really brightened it. So there's still some bits of moss on here, but these are dead. They've gone white and they're clear. And then we soft washed all these slates, so any lichens on there will drop off. Just saying, in the main, the paint's in good order. Overall, it's in very good condition. So around this corner was really green. So this yew tree here was obviously shading it and making it green. And the gable end up there, bit of moss in the middle still, but that will drop off. This corner was very green. Overall, really pleased. It's a really nice property. Oh, and sheep in the garden. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.